You're sitting at your kitchen table, staring at a $14,000 catering quote for a single Saturday afternoon. You're trying to do the mental gymnastics required to justify why financing a party at an 11% interest rate makes sense for your new life together. The wedding industry is very good at what it does. They have systematically convinced us that taking on crippling debt for floral arrangements and a venue is a required milestone of adulthood. Today, we are going to run the actual math on a standard wedding. We will design a high-value $5,000 alternative, and I'll show you exactly how to turn the difference into $500,000 of real wealth. Making this choice means stepping away from the traditional script. It is the very first step in prioritizing your future freedom over the aesthetics of one afternoon. Step 1 is looking at your baseline. Write down the amount you expect a normal wedding to cost. The national average sits around $30,000. Now, put that number right next to your current emergency savings balance. The data shows that 59% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency out-of-pocket. Dropping a $30,000 bill onto that financial foundation is extremely dangerous. The average lifetime earnings of a college graduate are $2.8 million, but the traditional American dream costs $5 million, coming from the standard path: buying a house, raising kids, maintaining vehicles, and funding retirement. Right at the starting line of that massive financial marathon, a $30,000 wedding bill creates a deep deficit before your life together even begins. Following the cultural script for a wedding almost guarantees starting your marriage severely behind. Because so few couples have the savings ready, that $30,000 bill usually goes right onto the credit cards. The average credit card annual percentage rate is currently sitting around 23 to 24%. If you input a $15,000 wedding at 23.6% interest into a calculator, the results are bleak. Making minimum payments, you will spend 2 decades paying off a single Saturday afternoon. You are paying an annual fee of over 20% for the privilege of a party you will barely remember, mostly because you were distracted by the stressful logistics of managing it. This debt is an active penalty. It incinerates your financial margin and robs you of the capital you need to build wealth. The interest is only half the problem. The real damage comes from opportunity cost, the lost potential of what your money could have earned you over time. Let's design an alternative. Slash those venue and catering quotes. Build a genuinely beautiful, intimate day with your closest friends and family for a strict budget of $5,000. Put that $25,000 into an investment calculator. Historically, the S&P 500 returns 10.65% annually. Compounding over 30 years, it grows to $500,000. That wedding actually costs you $500,000 of future wealth. If you felt the pressure to spend that kind of money, it isn't your fault. Everyone around you is performing financial health to an audience doing the exact same thing, and social media makes going into debt look completely normal. But Thomas Stanley's research on actual millionaires proves otherwise. The data shows they are mostly indistinguishable from their neighbors, driving older cars and rarely paying more than $399 for a suit. Real wealth is what you don't see. It is the invisible margin that gives you the option to say no to a toxic job or handle a massive emergency without a single drop of panic. You have now completed the blueprint. You've traded an expensive, high-stress theater production for an intimate celebration and a path to $500,000. The next step is execution. Log into your brokerage account and automate the transfer of your saved $25,000 directly into that S&P 500 index fund. Before you sign any venue contracts this week, ask yourself, is the aesthetic of a single day worth working an extra 5 to 10 years before you can afford to retire? If this changed how you view paying for a wedding, hit subscribe. Then leave a comment down below with the exact venue quote you are officially walking away from today.